gonna get started on our lesson today. Class?
Yes, yes.
When we need to speak, what rule do we say? Raise your hand for permission to speak. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to start with a question. And our topic says, and let's say it together. Let's read it together. How have improvements in technology impact how we meet our needs and wants? Alrighty, so that's what we're going to look at today, how technology impacts, okay, our needs and wants. So in that sentence, who can raise their hand and tell me what a need is? I want to make sure I know that you guys know what a need is. Okay, Decobin.
A need is something that you really need for, like, something that you
Okay, alrighty, anyone else? What is a need?
like something that you need to survive.
Something that you need to survive. Alrighty, who can raise their hand and tell me what a want is?
What you want to take something.
Okay, someone else. Is there anyone else can
Yes.
share what they think it is? A want.
What is when, like, someone wants something?
Okay. Do you have to have it? Can someone answer that?
No, you don't have to.
Okay, it's something that you desire and want, right? Okay, for instance, do we all have to have PlayStations? Can you survive without a PlayStation?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Alrighty, can we survive without water?
No.
No, we need that. Alrighty. So we know what a want is. It's something that we actually desire but don't have to actually really live off of. A need is something that we what? We have to survive by. What are the things that we know that we need to survive off of?
Water.
Water. Yes.
Food.
Food.
Air.
Air.
Oxygen. Tree.
Someone already said air. Let's make sure we're listening to each other when we speak. We have one more.
A mask thing that you put on. No, clothes.
Good try.
Clothes and trees.
Okay, so how about shelter?
Yeah,
I was gonna say that.
Okay,
Jinx.
excellent.
Jinx.
But I was waiting to see if someone was gonna get that. All right, let's move forward. Okay, class.
Yes.
Classity class.
Yes.
Alrighty, so good answering. So girls and boys. Alrighty. Now, so what is our lesson going to be about today? So we're going to look at Standard 4 in Social Studies. Societies experience continuation and change over time. Students will analyze the context and draw conclusions about continuing and change. Then we'll ask and answer such questions as who, what, where, when, why, and how to demonstrate an understanding of key details in the text. So we'll be looking at that. The COVID, yes.
I was gonna ask if one of those places was Snapchat.
Okay, that's not important right now. Okay, not right now, it's not important. So we're gonna keep moving on. Alrighty, hey class.
Hey, yes.
We have a compelling question. The teacher has a question.
Teacher, what's your question?
Has technology improved our lives? Okay, so we're gonna look at then. So everybody look at this picture And then I want you to turn quickly and talk to a partner of what you see in this picture. Turn and talk. Quickly, turn and talk. Quickly, turn and talk.
No, the people on the people getting carried on the carriages. They're getting carried.
Mine would be
Okay. Hey, class. Class City class.
Yes, yes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for coming to attention. Alrighty, so this one picture, so we're looking at the compelling question, has technology improved our lives? So look at this one. Who can share what they think this picture is talking to us about? Evelyn? Yes, there are wagons. I don't think you can see so close in the wagons. Who do you think those people are in the wagons?
I know.
The Coven? No, thank you. Okay, alrighty. Friend,
Native Americans.
you think it's Native Americans. What do you think it is? Students, alrighty. Okay, alrighty. Now, friends, turn and talk again, but look at this picture first, and then turn and talk about what you see in this picture. Turn and talk. Okay, class. Alrighty, my friend right here, talk to me. What do you see?
I see a bus and a school.
Okay, now let's go back to our compelling question. Has technology improved our lives? So here's then, and this is now. Has our lives been improved? If you think our lives have been improved, show me thumbs up. Alrighty. Okay, class?
Yes.
Alrighty, so let me tell you about this picture. So this is in the early 1900s, and this is 12 drawn horse-led carriages, okay? This is how the kids would get to school, alrighty? So, let's look at that. How do you think the environment felt? What do you think it felt like?
It felt like, because I see it's just outside and they're waiting to go.
Alrighty, so compared to what the technology offers today, would you get cold or hot? Yeah, so if you're in the wintertime and you're riding in a carriage, you would get cold faster, so you would need to what? Dress warm. Alrighty, Yaslin, what did you want to offer?
That it was kind of hard because it was
Yes, but I think only 12 people rode in that carriage, so you could have been squished. But the bottom line is, would it take longer to get to school if you were here?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Would it be faster to get to school here?
Yes.
Alrighty. So our technology between horse-drawn carriages and buses have improved, right? Okay. Alrighty. A point for the girls and the boys. So I'm gonna be watching to see who's gonna win. Alrighty. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna look at a video. So we're gonna be looking at how the past technology has been developed and people are thinking outside the box, right? They want to improve lives. Then we're gonna look at the present as well. Okay? So we'll be analyzing and drawing conclusions. Okay. I don't know why we can't hear.
It's muted.
Okay. The COVID, what's rule number 1?
Their actions could be.
Thank you. Oh, Lydia. start?
Past and present. Technology then and now. Devices and gadgets that we use today were radically different back when they were first invented, introduced or popularized years or decades ago. In this look at technological transformations, we see what old school designs have become. Floppy disk. You'd need 213,000 individual 5¼ inch floppy disks, each with a capacity of 1.2 megabytes to hold 256 gigabytes of data. Thumb drive. Now all you need is this 2-inch long thumb drive that easily stores the same amount of data.
Okay, so let's stop and talk about the then and the now. We're going to analyze that. So a floppy disk. Does anyone know what a floppy disk is? Okay, what do you think a floppy disk is? Tell me.
I don't remember.
You don't remember. It's okay. Come on, what do you think it is?
It's like probably a screen with and then it has a little computer.
Okay, alrighty. 2 more people. What do you think a floppy disk is?
I think it's like a little square and then there's a little line and then put that square in the computer and that TV and then it shows you a little tape.
Okay, alrighty. Come on, Dakota. What do you think a floppy disk is?
A floppy disk is probably something that you put inside of your thing to see if it's like one of those discs that shows you little clips and stuff.
Okay, I need students sitting crisscross, applesauce spoons in a bowl. I'm gonna give that point to the girls because the girls are still sitting correctly. Gentlemen, I need you sitting crisscross, applesauce. Alrighty, what did you want to say?
I wanted to say about the disc. I think it's just a regular disc.
Okay, class.
Yes.
Class city class.
Yes.
So a floppy disk is a way people would access information. So it could be a game, it could be a writing activity, or it would save your work. Okay, not like what we experience now. When you press, when you're in Google Classroom, we don't have to save anything. But back then, we had to have a tool to save our information. Which one?
I also throw away this. It was on my shoe.
Okay, throw it away. Alrighty, class.
Yes.
Let's look at now. Now we got a thumb drive. What do you think a thumb drive is?
It looks like it's that you plug in computers or other things.
Okay. What do you think, Angel?
Oh.
Okay, it does plug in. What do you think? What do you think it does? So let me ask this question. Do you think it does similar to what the floppy disk does? Okay, so show me thumbs up or thumbs down. Do you think the USB port saves information?
Yeah.
If you don't think it saves, put your thumb down. Okay, I'm looking for all thumbs. Okay, I want you to kiss your brain. If you said this is a device like the floppy disk that saves. So in explaining and analyzing that, we know that floppy disk of that time, it took a whole bunch to save things, but it only takes, how many of those? One. Alrighty, let's keep going.
Books. 1,400 physical books would weigh about £1 each. That's about as much as half of a car. Kindle. The cheapest version of this electronic reader can hold that many books in digital form.
Okay, class.
Yes.
turn and talk to your friends what you saw in then and now. The books, now the Kindle. Go ahead, move on that side you are with girls. And if it's two, just go to. Okay, so which would you rather? I mean, you notice that books now are done out of paper, but now we can use what? Electronic. Okay, and it has lots of books. Say that again.
Friend makes that ready.
Okay, so instead of always having to read to you can have it read back to you. Hey, class?
Hey,
Yes.
Classity?
yes.
Alrighty, I'm looking for all eyes on the target. Alrighty, so, Angel, what did your partner share about books versus a Kindle? Which would you rather use, the books or the Kindle? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. You would like the books. Why would you like the books? To read. Would you be able to read on the Kindle the book? Yes, that's what the Kindle is. The Kindle is an electronic book reader. It stores books. So just like when you go on Epic, that's how you can read those books. Got it? So a lot of paper books. So do books take up a lot of space? Yes, they're wonderful to have. They have the pages in them. You can look at them. All of that. Then the Kindle. What's great about the Kindle? The improvements. So we have paper books. Now we have electronic books. What's great about Kindles?
I could light up dark places.
Okay, so if you want to read in the dark, you can read in the dark. What else?
If you don't want, you can have a flashlight if it's dark and you can read.
Okay, what else? What else can you do with a Kindle? Okay, alrighty.
You can use it for midnight if you're working along or
Okay, you sure? Because Kindles are meant to read books. It's then and now technology. Okay, we gotta keep going.
Ford Model T. The first consumer automobile, introduced in 1908, produced 20 horsepower and had a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Ford GT. The 2017 Descendant has evolved into a supercar with 600 horsepower and speeds in excess of 200 miles per hour. Television. The 1948 Admiral Model 19A12 TV set had a 7-inch black and white screen with a resolution of 653 by 499 pixels. UHD TV. Today's 4K ultra-high-def TVs have minimum resolutions of 3,840 by 2,160 pixels.
Okay, we're gonna stop there. Okay, class.
Yes.
Alrighty, which TV would you want? Would you want the first TV or the second TV? So you show me one for the first one or two for the second. Alrighty. So then and now technology. What do you think the first TV, what the picture was like? Who can raise their hand and tell me? Just guessing. What do you think?
Gray.
You think it was gray?
Gray and black.
Black and gray. What else you want to say?
White and black and gray.
White and black. So TVs back then were black and white. Alrighty, let's talk about then, now TVs. What do we got?
UHD.
Okay, oh no, we raise our hand for permission to speak. The girls get a point. Come on, boys. Alrighty. Now raise your hand and then I'll call on you. Okay. What do we know about the new now TVs? Okay, friend, talk to me. What about the now TVs? Yes, sir.
It is bigger.
It's bigger. What is it? How does the picture look? Let's be descriptive. Okay, friend right here. Maya.
They're colorful.
They're colorful. Okay. What else you ask them?
They're a little bit more bigger because the first one is not big, so the second one is bigger.
Okay. So this one, like this TV, what we're looking at a TV on a TV. The pixels have the beautiful bright color. All those things that we can see. And do we have more access to different things? We can access, what can we access with this TV versus that TV?
Video
Say it again.
game.
You can, video games. What else can we access?
The first one has no control and the second one does.
Okay, so we have a controller with this one. What else?
You could have a little gaming setup like you have a Switch, and when you have like a little box thing for your Switch inside.
Okay, so other devices can connect to this device. Alrighty, class?
Yes.
Alrighty. Okay, now we're gonna look at that. I have a question again for you.
Teacher, what's your question?
Now let's look at the same question. How have improvements in technology impacted how we meet our needs and wants? So mirrors on. How have improvements in technology impact our needs and wants? Mirrors off. Okay, turn and talk to your friend. Talk to them about that question. Thank you. Turn and talk. Turn and talk. She's right behind you. Turn and talk. Right behind you. Melanie's behind you. Turn and talk. Thank you. Okay, turn and talk about that question.
Hey.
You go
Okay.
first.
Turn and talk. We don't have time. Turn and talk. So how have improvements in technology impacted how we meet our needs and wants? So how does it meet our needs? Like from the first picture, was it the horse and carriage to a bus? How does it meet our needs?
You can drive us somewhere.
But would we still get to school with the horse-drawn wagon? But could we still get
But still, it would be cold.
right? Okay. Alrighty, class. Alrighty. So I need some friends to go ahead and raise their hand and tell me, how have improvements in technology impacted how we meet our needs and wants? Alrighty. Come on, friend, talk. Okay, but we're talking about technology. What pictures did we just get through looking at? How have they improved our life? Let me try someone else. Come on, Yaslin. Okay, books versus Kindle. Okay. So how is that better now since we have a Kindle? Okay, some books are free, but some you do have to buy. What else?
When you go to school, you need to ride a bus because when it's cold, and when you ride one of the wagons with the horse, you could get sick and cold.
Okay, so then we know riding on the horse and carriage, if you don't dress warm, you're gonna be cold. And then if you ride on the bus, what?
You'll be warm.
You'll be in a warmer state. Evelyn, what do you want to say?
TV, the first one, you don't have control. The second one, and the second one is had color. The first one is had black and white.
Excellent. So distinguishing and analyzing on the first TV, we know it's black and white. Carly, focus, please and thank you. Crisscross applesauce, spoons in a bowl. Look like the girls gonna get that point again because they're sitting up and they're on task.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, let's keep going. So, we're gonna do an activity. Alrighty, so girls, scoot over on your side. Turn in the circle, girls.
There's a boy and a girl.
Turn in the circle. Get in the circle quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move in the circle. Everybody, get in the circle, girls. Okay, y'all all can get in the circle. Get in the circle quickly. Show me that you can follow directions. Rule number 1. Let's go, let's go. Scoot back, scoot back, scoot back. Scoot back in the circle. Please and thank you. Alrighty. Watch your hand. Alrighty, look at all of the pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, look at all the pictures. Okay, just put them in the center and we all look at them together. Show me you follow directions quickly. Appreciate it. Put them in the center. Here's your last one. Okay. Okay. Okay, all of them should be in the center.
No, stop it.
Okay, class. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so let's look at the different pictures. We're gonna sort them and put the technology then and now. So gentlemen, choose your first one. Girls, soon as we figure that out. Okay, alrighty, go ahead and, okay, where does the Kindle go? Here's tape. Here's tape. And place it where it goes. Okay, what other one do you have? What will go with the Kindle? What will go with the Kindle? Look again. What will go with the Kindle? Okay, so go with, that's what? A noun. Place it up there. Okay. Alrighty, go ahead and place that.
I know what to place this one.
Okay, go ahead, take.
I know what to place this
Alrighty. Girls, let's see what you have.
No, I know.
Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty, you have sorted them. That is great. Alrighty, so which ones go with which? Those two go together, right? HD TV and that one? Okay, so here, put tape on those that match. And go put them on the then and now. Friend, have a seat. Okay, alright. Okay, alrighty. That one goes with, let me see what other one you got. Hold on. Okay, go ahead and put that one up there. Okay, okay. Girls, we gotta put them up there. That's why I'm giving you tape. Alrighty. I know you need more tape. Okay, so do you guys have the one that matches that one? Have a seat, one at a time. Have a seat, one at a time. Okay. Alrighty, hold on. Put that one down. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, let's move this one out of the way. We'll move that one out of the way. Okay, alrighty, do you have another match?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Okay.
I need to not match.
Yes, you need to put it on then and now. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, share, we are sharers. Okay. Alrighty, here. Yaslin, give one to Angel. Okay, go put it up. The then and now. What is that one? Cell phone? Okay, that goes with which one? Okay, class. Okay. Hey, alrighty. So put that one. That's fine. Put it there. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Let me see what you have here. That is. Go ahead. Put that one up.
I know where to put this.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you do. It's up there already. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. That no, they're two different things. Go ahead and put that where that goes. Okay. I'm gonna get you to say, hey class, I need everybody in their carpet space. And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And we'll see who gains that point when I turn around and see. Okay. Alrighty. Put it on then and now, quickly. Okay, put it on there. Hey, I'm looking for, oh, look at the girls. They're almost on target. Okay, the girls, come on boys. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you, class. You say what? You're welcome. Alright, let's try. Thank you, class. I appreciate that. So now let's analyze and look at how technology was then versus now. Alrighty, so we have a thumb drive that saves information, and it should be over here because this is a new piece of technology, and floppy disk should be over here because this is an older technology. Okay? Alrighty. Now, letters and writing is an older technology, so we will call this as a term now. We'll call it snail mail. Why do you think they'll call it snail mail?
Television.
Okay.
It's supposed to go over here because it is.
Jacobin, please have a seat. We need to. Rule number 2 is what, everybody?
Raise your hand for permission to speak.
Rule number 3 is?
Raise your hand for permission to leave your seat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the reminder. So letters are snail mail and they are a then. Okay, what do you think happens now with mail? If you don't write it and put it in the mail, how do we send mail other ways?
And
I'm gonna write it over here because it's not up there. Email. Okay, electronic. Okay, that's why we have usernames or email names to send emails. Okay, so we got the Kindle and books go together. The books, paper books, and we still have paper books now because some people enjoy them. But now we've improved to have books on what? The what?
electronic.
On the Kindle, it's electronic. Alrighty, so typewriter also is over here, but it's the advancement of what? Letter writing. Then we started what? Typing. Alrighty. Okay, now let's look at our cars. Before we saw the first one was what? Our first picture showed us what?
Model T. A wagon.
A wagon that carried people to school. Then our second picture showed us what? Friend right here. What did our second picture show us at the beginning of class? The laser. The second picture we looked at the horse and wagon, then we looked at the second picture. The buses, thank you. So now we've moved from bus, we got buses, but this is the old model of what?
Car.
Come on.
A car.
Yes. Okay, Coben, I need you on your pockets, please. Get on your pockets and please show me that you are focused. Alrighty. Now, the Coben, go ahead. I need you. I'm gonna have you point. Alrighty. So then we have what? What is this? Does anybody know what that is?
A telephone.
A telephone. It's called rotary dial phone. Say that with me. Rotary dial.
Rotary dial.
Okay, that's when they were plugged into the house. Now, do we have a plug-in phone in the classroom? Yes, we do. It's over there. So now we've gotten real good. Now we can put our phones in our what?
Pockets.
Okay, so I have an example up here. And then this is the mobile phone. This is actually, ladies and gentlemen, I put this in there because I wanted you to see what the first mobile phone looked like. It was heavy. It was big. And so it's a then. So we're fortunate now. We're gonna raise our hand for permission to speak. You are the pointer. Okay. And we are using now what? Cell phones. Alrighty, so looks like we've covered all of those. Alrighty, hey class.
Hey, yes.
I need for you to get your iPads and come back to the carpet. And walking safely. 5, I need you here. 4, 3, 2, and come on, Keith. You're doing a good job. Hey, girls, let me see who's gonna get the point. I think the boys is gonna get the point this time. Oh, come on, boys, you're getting on board. Okay, alrighty, class.
Yes.
Up. I'm gonna give the boys another point because they were class.
Yes.
Now that's much better. I like that. Alrighty. So looks like girls, you got how many points?
6.
And the boys got
4.
they gaining on you. Okay, I want to see who's doing what they're supposed to do. We're keeping our dear team stronger. We're helping each other. Alrighty, class. Let's go ahead and we're going to go to Seesaw. So open your Seesaw up.
I thought we were going to do Clover.
We're gonna do our Seesaw, please.
Why am I still a dog?
I'm a cat.
I like
I like cats.
dogs.
I like panda.
Okay. Alrighty.
When you walked in.
Okay, I want to thank those people who are following directions. Okay.
Are we listening to this then and now?
Okay. If we need to speak out, we're going to do what? Reminder rule what?
Rule number 2. Raise your hand for permission to speak.
Put a check on that, please. Okay, class.
Okay, yes.
Alrighty, so here. I'm gonna click on sample student, and this is where we're gonna do our activity today. So our topic, I'm gonna click view instructions right quick so we'll know what we're supposed to do. It says we're gonna click and add responses. Alrighty, we're gonna listen to the audio directions. I'm gonna be the audio to read it. Complete the activity. When you're ready to add, we're gonna add it to our journal by clicking the check. Got it?
Got it.
Alrighty, so, yes, tap the light bulb. Tap the light bulb. There is the activity. Okay, so what is our topic, ladies and gentlemen? We will start that part together.
Then and now.
Ah, excellent. So we'll type in then and now. Okay.
Oh, do we write then and
Yes.
now?
You can put it up there. Or, better yet, our topic, because then and now is already on there. So we need to put technology. Our topic is technology. How it actually fulfills our needs and wants. Okay? Alrighty. Now, in there, okay, hold on. Okay.
Wait, there's two H's.
Okay. Alrighty. Is everybody there? Okay, so then, how has your thinking changed? So that's what we're gonna put in there. Connected to our topic, which is what? Who can raise their hand and tell us what our topic is? Yaslin? Okay.
Technology.
Technology. Okay. Then partner up with someone, please, to do the activity. Alrighty. Alrighty. No, only her. Her. We're working together. Alrighty. So then, what did you used to think about? So all of the things right here, we have an example. Keith,
Yes.
and you, applesauce, that you want.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. So here, look at the thens and nows on our sorted chart. Okay, so we have one of these right here, and so you can draw it out and talk about the then. What you thought about it, what you know about it. Then you're going to talk about what you know now about some of the things that we have here. Okay, so you can draw it out, then you can voice record what your thoughts are. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, go to work.
Go to work.
Now, you can also help each other. You can partner up and you're welcome to help each other. Okay, well still go ahead and do your best.
But when my
Yes. Okay, here. At this point, partner. Who can you partner up with? Who's the girl you can partner with? Okay, partner with Carly. Okay, alrighty. Who do you partner with? Yes. Okay. Okay. Partner with okay. You're fine. It's a PH. Okay, Kevin, scoot over closer. Scoot over closer. Yes. Keith, scoot over closer. Okay. Okay, what do you need help with? Okay, so look, then, choose one. What do you know about then? Choose one of those technologies that you can talk about. What you knew about. What you knew about then. So let's look. Okay, then you do one of the nouns. Okay, so for instance, example, you could do books, and then what do we use now?
Cell phone.
We use Kindles or iPads, and we go where?
Cell phone.
To Epic.
Cell phone.
Okay? Yes.
Cell phone. Now I know.
Yes, you can. Then what can you do for the then? I mean for
Cell.
then, yes.
Wait, I don't got anything.
Talk to him, and then when he will share. You're working as partners. Talk to him.
iPad.
So, what can you do for then? Okay, so draw the older mobile phone. You can draw it. You can draw. You can use shapes. You can write it out. Yes, you can. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so Dakota, make sure you're drawing what the then is and the now is, and explain it. So, okay, but do you see the section you have for now? It needs to be in that space. So you have a space for now and then. Okay, excellent.
So I think that's what do cell phones. Spell it like I did.
Okay, what do you need help with?
Nothing.
Okay,
I'm trying to think of something.
okay, so the board shares what then. Choose one of the things that is up there from then and then to now. Which one do you want to talk about?
Hey guys!
Okay, Angel, what do you need help with? Which one do you want to talk about? Now you can also talk about the horse and carriage versus the buses. You can also talk about television.
Hey, stop! I did it! Stop!
Your partner.
Look what I got.
What should I draw?
Here's what I got.
It's a monster.
Okay, that's great. So then, the now is what? What is that? Okay, make sure you write that in or voice record that in.
So what am I supposed to say?
So what did we learn about phones that were then?
We learned about phones and the phones
The phones were much bigger. Could you carry them around? The first mobile phone you could, but most phones were in what? In people's homes. Okay. That's why we should keep it in this process. Okay.